Welcome to KeBERA Organics. In this video, we'll walk you through the KeBERA dashboard, your gateway to managing organic agriculture with trust and transparency. Start by visiting app.keberaorganics.com and logging in with your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will land on the main dashboard. At the top, you will see key sections like Market, PGS, My Farm, My Stall, and Dashboard. These tabs give you access to tools for managing farmers, products, maps, and profiles. On the dashboard, you'll see quick stats like the number of registered farmers, organic products, certifiers, and more. This gives you a real-time snapshot of your ecosystem.